Does it feel impossible to come back to center right now? Maybe you just had a hard conversation, or it's the end of a tough workday and you're feeling so drained. I've been there, and this is my 3-step process to press the reset button. It's perfect for sensitive women like us that feel everything. Start right now by taking a deeper, slower breath. Step 1 is the breath of joy. This is the absolute first thing I always do if I'm feeling overwhelmed or I want to let something go. It's a 3-part inhalation with 1 big exhale, and we're moving the arms in time with the breath. I'm going to show you how it looks and sounds once, and then we'll do it 3 times together. So find a space where you can stand and you have enough room to spread your arms out beside you. It goes like this. Inhale, arms forward, to the side, overhead. Big exhale through the mouth. Let's do that 3 times together. When you're ready, inhale forward, side, overhead. Let it go. Again. One more time. This time, hang out in your forward fold for a few more moments. Either rest your elbows on your knees or let your belly rest down on your thighs. You can gently shake your head, no. Some people like to hold on to opposite elbows. And then anything you're ready to let go of can roll right off your back here. And start to climb your way upright. The next step is to write it down, and don't skip this part. I find this step can be so valuable and also easy to skip. So if you have so much going on in your mind and it's all swirling around and feeling so overwhelming and you don't know what to do, write it down. Each of the things swirling in your head, write it down. Don't worry about editing. Don't worry about what it looks like. Just get it out on paper. And then you're able to actually look at each of the things that feel overwhelming, and I find that once they're written down, it seems much more manageable. Create some space upstairs by emptying that out onto your paper. You don't need to hold on to and juggle everything that's going on. Write some of it down. This is such a good combo for a busy mind. Step 3 is legs up the wall with a moving meditation with the hands. So legs up the wall is a restorative yoga posture. You can literally lie on your back and rest your legs up on the wall. Or if you don't have wall space available, you can lie on the back and rest your calves up on the seat of a chair so your legs are elevated. Or you can find waterfall pose, where lying on the back, you place some height under the hips and then you let the legs hang in the air and try to find sort of a balance point with minimal muscular engagement. I'm going to demonstrate with my legs up the wall. Once you're grounded and comfy here, start to move your hands in time with the breath. So next time you inhale, open the palms, spread the fingers wide apart. Exhale, close your hands into gentle fists. And keep moving in time with the breath. Inhale, open the hands. Exhale, close them. I'll stay here for another 10 breaths. Let the pace of your breath guide the speed of your movement. And except for that movement in the hands and arms, see if you can soften muscles in the body. Facial muscles relax. The head is resting down. The hips are heavy and supported. Muscles throughout the legs can soften. Inhale, open the hands. Exhale, close them. A few more times like this. Imagine tension melting away off of the body. Stress melting away. Your mind is present with this movement in the hands. One more. Let me leave you with these affirmations. You can repeat mentally. I have the power to reset and start fresh. I have the power to reset and start fresh. I am healthy, strong, and capable. I am healthy, strong, and capable. I am breathing in and I am breathing out. I am breathing in and I am breathing out. You can come back to this practice anytime you need it. Was this helpful? Share your experience in a message to me or in the comments below. Are you done feeling overwhelmed and ready to be seen as an empowered, in control role model? I finally received all the benefits of meditation when I trained myself to sit still. I can help you go from can't sit still, won't sit still, to being comfortable taking yourself through a 10-minute self-guided meditation every day. The more I meditate and the more experience and practice I have in meditation, the more space there is between an event and my reaction. I've cultivated this space where I get to choose how I'm going to respond to what happens in life. So if you want to sign up for the wait list, that just means that you'll be the first to know about more information and you'll get a special wait list to discount once the course is released. Any more questions, or if you want to share your experience, let me know in the comments below.